Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip. Today we are going to be looking at Bitcoin and crypto, as crypto has just recently been making new highs. Bitcoin went above $30,000. Today we have a very slight retracement on some economic data that has been released by some of the authorities tracking those numbers. We'll talk about that a little bit today, and also why Bitcoin may hit $45,000 in the month of May. If you like the content, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. We're doing 5 videos every single day for you. And at 10,000 subscribers, we are giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber. So don't miss out on that, guys. The overall market cap today is at $1.25 trillion, which is great. Still moving up, while Bitcoin dominance coming slightly down. Bitcoin is now to 29,500, just below $30,000, but Ethereum's above 2K still. Overall, crypto markets are doing well. Some altcoins are pumping today. Maybe a shift to more of an altcoin movement. Let me know what you think about that. Is it time for altcoins to run against Bitcoin? Let me know in the comments down below. Well, today, guys, Bitcoin is sinking below $30,000 because of some of the Q1 earnings. Well, this is one of the things. Also, I think it is exhausted. Another key piece here is some of this weak retail sales, right? And so this is these numbers they're talking about in Q1. Manufacturing output data shows that the U.S. economy is slowing, which means what? It means that inflation is happening. It's been strong, which means that retail consumers are consuming less, which helps the Fed start to get to a point where, okay, the economy's cooling down, they can pivot, and then they can start decreasing some of the rates, and then start decreasing these rates that they've been hiking for so many months now. So this negative news is actually good news for the dollar. As the U.S. economy is slowing, the dollar looks like it has a chance to get put in the right direction, as hopefully then the Fed can lower the rates and start to pivot, and then the dollar can get strong from there. So on this news, people started getting more excited about the prospect of the dollar and the prospect of inflation getting better on this data. But I still think it's way too early to say that inflation is getting better. We see the bank collapses going down. We see so many issues with the US dollar. I think this is a fake out pump. Bitcoin is just cooling off, but this is one of the reasons that Bitcoin is trading down a little bit lower today. Only because of some of this dollar action that's moving up, so Bitcoin moves down. When the DXY goes up, the dollar tends to go down. Bitcoin tends to go down, and vice versa. If the dollar dumps, Bitcoin goes up. We tend to see that. On top of that, there is more FUD out there. So crypto exchange Bittrex violated several federal laws. SEC is charging them in a lawsuit. This comes only a couple days or weeks after the SEC said they're going to come after DeFi. So the SEC is still not letting up. Going to be very interesting to see how the current lawsuit that's happening between the SEC and Ripple comes to a close. If Ripple can beat the SEC in this lawsuit, I think it shows that the SEC is going to lose more lawsuits as time goes on. That being said, they are slinging arrows in several directions right now, coming after crypto in many, many ways. I don't think they're going to succeed, but let me know what you think in the comments down below. These are some of the reasons that Bitcoin is moving down today. Overall, though, I am feeling good, and some people are getting very excited about this. 18 minutes ago, the Chicago Mercantile Exchange is planning on expanding its Bitcoin's option trading by adding one-day contracts. This just shows you how many people are truly excited to be trading, buying, utilizing Bitcoin in many ways. Even if it's in a mercantile exchange like this, this is a big deal, guys, and it's just going to add more demand, more volume, more money to the crypto markets, even as all this FUD and lawsuits are happening with the SEC. So that's something to keep an eye on, and this is also something people are talking about. Bitcoin could peak at $45,000 in May. Some people are looking at this. I would not be surprised at all. The previous all-time high is $69,000 or so. I wouldn't be surprised, guys, if we even touch that before the next halving event. I don't think that's likely, but I'm not going to say that it's impossible. I'll tell you that now. $45,000 price in May would be spectacular. I don't think that's likely, but I certainly think it's possible. I certainly think that it's possible to see 10 to 15K movement in a month for Bitcoin, especially as we've moved up so far, so fast to start the year 2023. Bull run's coming in 24, 25. And so we are getting ready for that. And the market's got to start moving up as we are getting closer to that happening event. Let me know if you think this is possible in the comments down below. Guys, know that we're giving away a loaded line at 25,000 subscribers on the channel. If you want access to this giveaway, follow us here at the _crypto report Twitter account to get details to this. And also know if you're a member on our channel, you get an additional 10 entries for every single month you're a member. You can become a member by getting onto our YouTube channel, joining here, or in the link in the description down below. That's all I got for you guys in this one. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget, guys, to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, do not forget to DCA, HODL, guys, and of course, we will see you in the next one. Thanks so much, everybody. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. See you next time. Peace.